You're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be sharing with you the latest updates, latest summary on card arbitrage. It's not new to us that the banks have reduced most of the limits on the card to $20 and some $50. And so I'll be giving you the summary of the cards that are still working, their monthly limit, and where they are all working. So I'll be sharing with you this update. So if you have a card that you have not used for this month, I'll be sharing with you the card that is working, the limits on the card monthly, and where you can use them. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will want you to subscribe to this channel now, and to also turn on the notification bell icon, because subsequently we do post updates on not just arbitrage but any money making opportunities. um, for example, we post so many updates. We still posted an update today that made people to make free money without any investment. That was learn and earn, binance learn and earn, that was just done today. The one that was done previously was posted also, and we gave them the answers to the questions. So we have so many updates that are upcoming, so many updates that will be dropped, even unlimited arbitrage with cryptocurrency. You can also perform arbitrage with crypto by buying on one exchange and selling on another exchange. So all those updates will be coming on our channel. So I will advise you to join our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon, and also subscribe, join our Telegram channel, and also you can join the WhatsApp channel for discussion if you wish to. All right, so the updates will be dropped. Because of what is happening currently, I won't be saying the cards and the limits on this YouTube channel to avoid it stop working again. So I will just post it. I'll be posting it on our Telegram channel. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, make sure you join the Telegram channel to check the banks and also the links. If you check the description, the links of the description of this video, you'll find each of the platform that I'll be mentioning on the Telegram, how you can use them, and the registration link also, you'll be finding it on those videos on how to use them. So thank you very, very much for staying true. Thank you for choosing to subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.